registration at AUGSD. So he's busy in the work. He'll be joining us in around probably 20 to 25 minutes around 4:35. But before that, sir has asked us to make an important announcement. First things first, I need to know how many of you are repeating the course. If anybody is repeating the course, please do raise your hand. Is anyone repeating the course? This is the group B, right? This is the group B. This is the group B, right? Quickly. Very quickly. Silence, please.
पर सामने हमारे पंडित जी ने कह दिया
एक मैच में जीत लेता हूँ मैंने कल ब्लू बॉल पर लेना भूल गया हूँ किसी बार मुझे ना मैच किस काउंट से हार रहा है ये तो मौत का खाना भी करना
I repeat, we are the teaching assistants of Professor Jagat Singh Shalla, and this is your first lecture for the computer programming course.
गलत है सो रहा था यार
I suppose this is your first full-credit course, right? Or have you done any other course? Louder, please. Okay.
अभी
So
मुझे मार दिया
the course is computer programming, and as you can see on the screen, these both are going to be your professors. Professor Jagat Singh Shalla is going to take your first half of the course. He is going to join us soon and discuss the handout, etc. And Dr. Ashish Pera is going to take the second half of the course. Coming to the textbook and reference books, you will be using Problem Solving and Program Design in C. This is a book that is available in library. Also, if you want to purchase, I think it's quite cheap, so you can go for it. Even if it's second hand, please do take it. It's quite useful. Majority of your practice can be done from this. You will also be provided with other material which will be uploaded on your Nalanda website. But those more specifications, sir is going to personally come and talk. As you've seen, the lecture notes, lab sheets. This is a programming course. You will be having your weekly lab sessions, which are evaluative. They carry attendance marks, and we will be discussing shortly what are the evaluative components. But majority of the course announcements, of course, they'll be forwarded via email. But also, you'll have to check your Nalanda for frequent notices about the course structure, syllabus, exam dates, etc. Coming to the laboratory sessions, weekly towards all of you have registered. Are there any DTC cases right here? Okay, so that's the reason sir is busy. Because there are a lot of people this time, there have been a lot of clashes in the timetable. So, weekly towards total 13 lab sessions. The first lab is non-evaluative. You will be just given a basic introduction about WSL or your Sublime text editor, and the basic commands on Unix, etc., how to go about it, etc. And right after that, the remaining 12 labs are going to be evaluative. The best 10 will be considered for grading, and each lab session will have a lab sheet. It's very important. In the programming course, you guys will be having a lab test, apart from the mid-semester, the comprehensive examination, which is going to be of decent weightage, and it's quite scoring. So the lab sheets will be uploaded on Nalanda on a weekly basis. You'll have to access your account and then practice them in the lab. Now, all of us are TAs right here. You might encounter some of us in your weekly lab sessions, because we'll be there to clarify your doubts. Otherwise, you'll be assisted by a few 2 to 3 TAs who will take care of your doubts during your 2-hour session. Now, coming to the lab sessions will be conducted on Ubuntu OS. So you have to make yourself familiar with it. The introduction commands, etc. will all be taken care of. In the programming course right here, sir is mostly going to go a bit theoretical, also with a bit application oriented. But nobody is going to teach you from scratch. Though the course is designed for everybody who wants to learn C programming language from scratch. First of all, raise your hands if you have done C before. Anywhere, any experience. Okay. No worries, no worries. Even the people who are new to programming, despite your background earlier, despite your branch right now, this is going to be a fundamental course. But also remember that in case any of you wants to go for a data science minor or any other thing, CP course is going to be of fundamental importance and serves as a prerequisite for a majority of courses in the future. So please keep in mind regarding this course. Also for the home practice or in your hostels, you can practice it by installing software on your laptops. You will have the lab sheets with you anyhow. Yes, coming to the evaluation components, this is where the problem is, this is where we have come. So wanted to cancel today's lecture, but there's an important announcement. So as you guys know, the previous 3 batches have been affected because of the COVID, and the quality of performance is very poor, especially in the computer science batch, and also your seniors, which includes me, but you can exclude me. So, coming to the semester components, you have a mid-semester test of 50 marks. You have a comprehensive examination of 100 marks. One quiz which sir is going to conduct, for which you will have a makeup also. You will have a programming test for 60 marks. The dates of the programming test are given, the remaining will be announced by sir. And you know that you have BP laboratory sessions. There's a slight change in the way things will go on from now. And this is quite serious. If anybody of you wants to note down the things also, you can note down. You will have a prereq quiz. This quiz is to first check if you have strong fundamentals on computer programming or not. Because people are just storming into the CP classes, unable to clear this fundamental course, and then struggling in the future. There are a lot of people waiting in the AEGSD office who still have come to 3rd year, 4th year, but have not cleared this course. So the computer science department has taken a decision to include a prereq quiz, and the people who clear the quiz will only be allowed to take the computer programming course. For those, I know that this mostly consists of the Jubilite batch. In case you don't clear the course, you will be shifted to one more course, which is CSF 110, which is Basics of Computers, which is also a 4-credit course. And your performance, your CGPA, will be calculated based on how you perform in that course. Because computer programming is a fundamental course. And mind you, please do listen. Mind you, they have 30 people with year backs, SEM backs, and a majority of people with the senior batches are unable to clear the CP course. So you have become mandatory seeing the low quality performance to introduce a new course to put a prereq test. Coming to the makeups, I want everyone to listen. Hello? Hello? Focus on the board. Makeups will only be given by sir in case of extreme cases, in case of hospitalization. This prereq quiz will not be having any makeup. I know that there are. Did you guys have a class previously? I think Tanvir sir has taken one class already in the morning, right? One class has happened. So this decision was in the committee. Sir has asked me to raise this point and tell. This has been in the committee and the decision has been passed right now. So sir will be joining us. But the point is, the prereq quiz has been made mandatory, and this is an important announcement to each and every one of you. There's nothing to worry about the quiz. The quiz is pretty fundamental. It focuses on your basic computer knowledge, RAM, ROM, basics. It is application oriented. Please don't think it's easy. I've seen the question paper myself. So you will have to, put your knowledge and try to apply it in a way. You will be allowed to probably, I'm not allowed to disclose the question, but I will. You will be probably allowed to rank a few memory options in the ascending order of speed. How many of you know about the cache memory and other things here? Yeah, and you also know that if you buy a computer system, you see that, there's a 2.4 gigahertz written, or probably a 3 gigahertz written. Those are the speeds of the processors. And you synchronize. These are basic computer specs, basic knowledge that any person, especially in bits, should have knowledge about. And I'm sorry if you don't have the knowledge about this, you will be allocated to one more course, which I have told is Basics of Computers, whose IC is also Professor Jagatsesh Chella. So this batch, I believe that you guys are, how many? I think you guys are around 650 something in the group B. So registered people in CP, if you consider around 700, the test will be done in all the sections. It's starting from today because this is the IC section, so it starts from today. And after this, it's going to happen in other sections as well. So please let your friends know. Of course, there will be such an announcement made in other sections as well in the future. So only people who clear that will be allowed to do CP. We will be handling questions. I know you guys have a lot of questions. We'll be handling them. Please do listen patiently. The people who are repeating the course, CS F110 does not apply. You can do CP. You can do computer programming. Today is the period quiz because it is quite fundamental and it is not a joke. Silence, please. Silence. Today is the period quiz. Your 4 credits will be decided today whether you are going to the CS F110 or whether you are staying there. Silence, please. This is not a joke celebrated for a decision that has been taken in the committee. Excuse me, please. Any problem?
नीचे देख ले 2 सेमेस्टर ऑफ
Guys, this is not a joke. Question papers printed. Please try to understand the graphic situation. If you have anything serious about your credits, etc., please stop. We have question papers printed. Sir is going to join us once we distribute the papers. Please be serious about it. This is a basic question paper. I want each one of you to think straight. You have 30 minutes to answer the test.
टाइम पास आता तो ये पेपर इसका नहीं लाऊंगा
This test is for 30 marks, and if you get above 15, you can also do the computer programming course. There are important instructions I want everybody to listen.
अरे वो तो ठीक है मेरा सेक्शन ही
Right? Hello? You can go out of the class. You can go out of the class. Silence! If you have any problem, you can go out of the class. If you're not serious about it, you can go out of the class. The question papers are here. We are going to give the test. I want everybody to stay silent. Do not think of cheating. Never think of cheating because there have been 30 yearbacks in the last semester itself. You will be losing a lot of things. I know a lot of people are dualites who already have one extra year. You'll be doing a lot of courses. Don't make this hard upon yourselves. In case you fail to clear this test, your CGPA is not going to be affected. Sir has asked me to put this point in front of you. Your 4 credits of CSF 111 will be replaced with CSF 110. And your CGPA will be calculated, and based on your performance, you will be allotted your dual branches. Only difference is you will have to do computer programming once again in your second year, because right now you'll be doing the basics of computers. You understand? So in your 2-1, you're going to have a subject called EDS, which is going to occupy 3 credits of space, and that is absolutely non-evaluated. So for people who are not doing the computer programming course right now, their maximum capacity in the second year is going to increase to 28 credits. Because 3 credits of yours is going to be EDS, which is just a good or bad course. It's an attendance course, you'll have to give it, and you get either a good grade or a bad grade, the game is done. You'll be doing CP then. It's very simple. And this is applied right now because as a dual student, even if somebody gets computer science, you'll be only starting your CS courses in your 3rd year. So you will have time, and the campus and the institute and the department will ensure that you complete your credits and your subject before you proceed further. So, having said that, we'll be distributing. It's a very basic quiz, guys. I want each one of you to think, answer, and give. Sir will scrutinize, and then he'll get back to you. Don't think of unfair means 15 marks is the bar, and I'm pretty sure 90% of the class is going to pass. Keep your mind straight, think straight answer. You have 30 minutes to answer this. People are registered in Jagat Sir's section. Give the test. Repeat people. There is no need to give the test. So people of other sections are enrolled. You can sit right here. You will not be given the question paper because the test is going to happen at register. Is that clear? Please don't leave because sir is going to come and he's going to give more instructions if any doubts you have.
चीटिंग करनी पड़ेगी और कैसे पास
कौन
Doesn't matter even for DBCC,
इसी में 15 पहली बार
नहीं पहले क्यों नहीं
हाँ पहले के ज़्यादा बिल पड़ेगी बिल पढ़ाए बिल पढ़ के तो देते ही हैं
एक भी नहीं ट्रेन मांग रहे हैं
which I think the department believes that everybody should be capable of solving. Okay?
नंबर तो लेना
The registered number you can still be here. Be given the question because anyhow different questions are being prepared.
पीछे दे देना
That is fine. You can still be here. You are not prevented. But if any question paper will be prepared to do this. You have to stay in the class because sir is going to come and he is going to answer. You can take question. You do submit it. But sir needs to have a Guys, I'm warning you once again before you start the test. Answer means you will read it very strictly. There are people, there are TAs over there. They'll be monitoring each of the activity. Keep your phones inside, your books inside, and start attempting the test.
कार खुली है यहाँ रख देना
Is there anyone with no question paper? Is that it? I think I believe everything is there on the paper itself. Extra paper. If you have not got a question paper, please raise your hand. You have half an hour to write the test. We'll be collecting the papers at 4:55.
मेरी बात की भाई मैं बढ़िया तो ओए मैं देखो
तेरी गणपति का सारा दिन तेरे बोन 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 बोल रहा है
Please call the TS inside. They must be outside.
नहीं अब हो गया ऊपर से हो गया
ओए अब मैं ट्यूट सीरियसली लूंगा अब मेरा जो प्रैंक हो रहा है अब वो लोग प्रैंक हो रहा था कंपनी में प्रैंक हो रहा था जब पहले उधर भाई अरे मैं देख रहा था इसको ऐसे क्या लिख रहा है मैं चाहूँ क्या लिख रहा है इसका भाई पूरा ओए किसान का भी दर्शन में है पहले वाले तो नहीं हो रहे एक लग जाती है अभी